In this video, we will show you how to replace the BILSTEIN B3 air spring on the rear axle of a BMW X5 E70. Please adhere to the instructions shown in this video. Always replace air springs in pairs. It is imperative to heed the vehicle manufacturer's specifications regarding the renewal of screws and self-locking nuts, as well as the prescribed tightening torque. When replacing air springs, it is imperative to use the vehicle manufacturer's tools and equipment. Check the association of the new air springs prior to installation. Check the expiration date. Take the air spring out of its packaging and ensure it is not twisted or damaged. Read the installation instructions attentively while working and follow the working steps strictly. Prior to removal of the air spring, the vehicle height is measured and recorded from wheel hub center to the bottom edge of the front fender. Attention! This is only possible if the air spring is not destroyed. Lift the vehicle using the lifting platform support points specified by the manufacturer. Remove the wheels. Thoroughly check all suspension components for damage. Switch off the ignition. Always remove the ignition key when working on the air spring. Dismantle the trunk compartment floor and the underlying trim panels. Open the service lid on the right side of the trunk compartment and remove the air supply system fuses. Remove the trim panel and expose the air spring fastening points. Always wear the necessary protective equipment when working on the compressed air system. Carefully loosen the pressure line from the distributor block on the upside of the air spring until you hear the sound of effusing air, and wait until the residual pressure has dropped completely. Fully remove the pressure line and seal it. Make sure not to bend, twist, or squeeze the pressure line. Remove the rubber cuff and pressure line. Dismantle the upper and lower mountings of the air spring. The air spring can now be removed. The installation of the new air suspension module is analogous to the removal in reverse order. It is imperative to heed the manufacturer's specifications regarding the renewal of screws and self-locking nuts, as well as the prescribed tightening torque. Insert the new air spring and install the upper mountings. Remove the protective cap from the pressure line connection of the air spring and install the plug coupling. The locking ring must audibly click into place. Lift the suspension using the assembly aid. Install the lower mounting onto the air spring. Carefully lower the suspension using the assembling aid. Place the rubber cuff over the air spring and install the pressure line onto the plug coupling. Heed the tightening torque as specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Make sure not to bend, twist, or squeeze the pressure line. Place the air supply system fuses back into the fuse box and close the service lid. Connect the diagnostic device and establish a connection. Fill the air spring according to the specifications of the vehicle manufacturer. Attention! Never lower the vehicle from the lifting platform with a depressurized air suspension. Check the pressure line connection for tightness. The leak tightness of the entire system must be guaranteed. Install the trim panels and the floor in the trunk compartment. Ensure the wheels are fitted properly. Using the lifting platform, lower the vehicle down to the first ground contact of the wheels and then start the engine. Let the engine run for at least 2 minutes and then lower the vehicle back to the previously measured level or standard series height with the engine running. Always align the axles after working on suspension parts.
BILSTEIN. Drive the legend.